हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हो आप? आज हम देखते हैं फिजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ कर्ल. ठीक है. सो फिजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ कर्ल, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. ओके. सो in a physical significance of curl, we have considered the following steps. The concept of curl can be easily understood as follow. Okay. So if we consider a piece of paper, A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D. Okay. It is floating on a surface of moving water. It is floating on a surface of moving water. Moving water. Okay. So the moving water. If the velocity of water is uniform over the if the velocity of water is uniform over the entire surface, and then the piece of paper will have translation. The piece of paper will have translation motion along the positive direction. Okay. If there are some eddies, means eddies as a error. If there are some eddies, then the paper there is a floating of water, uniform water. So if there are some eddies, then the piece of paper will have translational as well as rotational motion. Piece of paper will have translation as well as rotational motion along the positive x direction. So after that, it will create a positive x direction. Then the paper will have paper will measure the curl of water velocities at this edge. Okay. So if we consider consider the diagram, and other explanation is given below. Okay. So at the point A D, V of x plus del Vz by del y into dy, A to B Vy, B to C V of x, and C to D V of y plus del Vy by del x into dx. So what is Vy? Vy be the y component of water velocities at the edge A and B. What is Vx? Vx be the x component of water velocities at the edge B, C. Vy plus del Vy by del x into dx be the y component of water velocities at the edge C, D. And Vx plus del Vz by del y into dy with the water velocity x component of water velocities at the edge A and D. Okay. So after that, it is x and y axis. So after that, the net rotational effect about z axis is given by. So the net rotational effect is given by curl of vector v of z equals to del Vy by del x plus del Vx by del y. Okay. So similarly, the curl of vector v of x equals to del v of z upon del x plus del v of x upon del z. Similarly as z, y and x. Okay. After that, the result of curl of water velocity is, so it is formula for that: curl of v equals to curl of v of x plus curl of v of y plus curl of v of z. Okay. It is curl of v of z, curl of vector v of x, y and z. Okay. So after that, the curl of v equals to, then it will describe as curl of v of x is a function that is the function del Vz upon del y minus del Vy by del z into I. I, J and K are the coordinates. If we have to consider it as another example also, I, J and K. Okay, plus del Vx by del z minus del Vz by del z into J plus del Vy by del x minus del Vx by del y into K. Okay. So after that, in this equation we have given as curl of V, curl of vector V equals to, in vector I, J and K, del by del x, del by del y and del by del z, and after that in third step Vx, Vy and Vz. So if we are, we have already seen as this equation Vx, Vy, Vz is nearly equals to delta V, vector V, and the equation for delta is del by del x, del by del y and del by del z. So after that, in last step we have given this equation curl of vector V equals to delta into vector V. So these are the physical significance of curl. If you have any doubt or any questions, so please ask me. Thank you so much.